Welcome back again, guys. It's Pro Price Action Trader. So, on today's video, I'm going to share my analysis on GBP USD. It's Friday. I know it's Friday, so I share my analysis before the market opens again, so that maybe some of them can might get some signals to trade on Monday. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to explain everything that is happening here. So, as you can see, I'm going to move to a bigger time frame now. So, as you can see, I was identifying the most respected levels of all times on GBP USD. So as you can see, we have our first touch, our second touch, and our third touch here. So which is our third touch? So what we are going to do now, we're going to anticipate a sell around this area. So as you can see, we already had our structure. Structures doesn't have to be accurate to identify that the market is reversing or else, but this one is also known as a reversal pattern. This one, it is also known as a reversal pattern. You can say it's a reversal pattern. Anything, I don't know, but I only know those things: continuation pattern, reversal pattern, impulsive move, just like this one. It's a pullback. So what I'm going to do now, I'm anticipating to take a sell if the market could ever retrace to this level. I'm going to take a sell to this position until I reach my this level. So I don't rush things, but I'm going to wait patiently. Maybe next week on Tuesday, I'm going to take this trade, and next week on Tuesday. So let me move to another pair or Euro USD. I've already executed my trades on Euro USD. As you can see, let me show you the structure. The one thing that made me to execute this trade. So as you can see, we're trading. Hey, I'm sorry, excuse. We're trading inside a flag. So as you can see, this is our flag. It's like a variation of a continuation. I can say, yeah, it's a variation of a continuation. The market has to reach this level, so we don't rush things because this is a daily time frame. That is why I my TP target is not that much far. It's understandable. So as you can see, it's a swing trading setup. This one is a swing trading setup, and we also have our structure, a reversal pattern around this area. It's an expanding wedge. We call this structure an expanding wedge. So as you can see, we're already triggered in onto the trade. I think it's last week Monday, but yeah, we're still holding even today. So let me move to another pair again. Yeah, this is USDCHF. So as you can see, we're also holding a sell setup around this on this pair. We executed our trade on the 12th of October. On the 12th of October, yeah, until at 22 October. I think it's 10 days. Yeah, 10 days to 11 days. So as you can see, we're still holding our sell. I did share my analysis on a certain group. I don't have groups. I don't have trading stations. I only trade for myself. So I did share my analysis to another group because one of my friends just added me, but I don't like trading with a group of people. That's why I just shared the signals and left them. But I didn't leave the group. Okay, let's move. This is USDJPY. So as you can see, I'm going to move to a bigger time frame again so that I can show you what is happening here. So as you can see, we got our first touch here, our second touch here, and we're anticipating for our third touch here. So uh, as you can see, let me move to a smaller time frame. I'm going to show you the structure now. So we have our structure, which is a reversal pattern or anything. What I know is just a reversal pattern, continuation pattern, pullbacks, and everything. This is we can say it's a pennant or a rising wedge or bearish flag, anything. What I know is just that a reversal pattern. So I'm anticipating. I've already witnessed that a pullback has already happened around this area. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wait for the market to retest it clearly so that I don't put myself into a deep loss, and I also can manage to put my stop loss around this area. I'm waiting for the market to break this level, then go back and retest this this level before it goes down. So um, that is my trading plan for next week. I did my analysis earlier on. So next week I'm executing my trades. I'm executing my plan, I can say. So yeah, this is NAS 100. So on NAS 100 last week, we got a stop out because what I've witnessed on NAS 100 is that it seems like now we're ranging. We're ranging. It seems like we're ranging on NAS 100. This is a range. A range. It's a variation of a continuation. We're looking up for buyers before it reverse back. It reverse down. We're looking out for buyers. Yeah, buyers for now. I did try to execute my trades last week. Let me show you. I did try to execute my trades last week. I was anticipating to take a sell. I did took my sell. I think it was around this area. I did took my sell around this area because I just did I just placed a sell stop. Then I got stopped out around this area because my stop loss was around this area. But what I've learned is that I don't have to rush to take a trade. I have to wait for the market to reach a respected level. So now I don't know anything. I don't know what's going to happen next on NAS 100, but I'm anticipating for the market. If it breaks this level, chances might be that it might be that it comes to this level, then comes to retest again before it goes down. So as you can see, I'm anticipating to take a sell if it goes down, but if it doesn't break this level, I'm not going to take a trade for a buy. I'm waiting for a sell around this area because I cannot sell at a resistance. We are facing a challenge on this resistance, and now I'm not even able to take a sell around this area because I'm anticipating for a pullback to prove that the market is in the Nasdaq 100 is in a strong sell. So I can't predict the market direction, but what I have to make sure is that I move with the market direction. So as you can see, now I'm going to move to another pair again. So this is USA 30. Yeah, USA 30. So we have two levels here. You have this previous level, which is our main resistance, but now it has broken. So what we are anticipating here, we're anticipating for the market to come maybe to break below to this level before we're executing our sell. So our tip is going to be around this area because it seems like USA 30 is in a uptrend. So if it moves to this level, we're not going to take any trade, but you can see that it is creating a third touch because we have our first touch, our second touch, and this one may be a third touch. So we're not anticipating anything here, but we're looking forward to take a trade if it breaks below. We're still going to take a trade if it will go above and then come and break below before it pushes to the downside. We're still looking forward to take a sell, but let's wait and see on Monday, between Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Uh, this is all the USD. So as you can see, I'm going to move to a bigger time frame so that you can understand the market structure and everything that is happening. So I was anticipating to take a sell on other USD. So as you can see, this was our pullback. That was our pullback, um, our retracement. So we're not focusing on the previous data. We're focusing on the present data. As you can see now, let me move to a smaller time frame. Our we have our flag here. So as you can see, we're trading inside the flag now. This is a 4-hour time frame. So as you can see, we have our first touch here, our second touch here, and our third touch here. So we're anticipating to take a sell once the market breaks below, then come back to retest this level before we go to the downside, we're anticipating to take a sell here. Let me zoom a little bit. We're anticipating to take a sell, a sell, a sell. We're anticipating to take a sell if any probabilities or anything show up, but you can see it's just that you can't predict the market direction, but you can use our tools to guide us to see some enlightenment. So as you can see, I'm anticipating to take a sell from here to this, or maybe my target will be around this area. Let me say around here. Uh, let me calculate how many pips. 240 pips. So yeah. It's 240 pips. So we're anticipating to collect 240 pips. It's like swing trading. So uh, I think I'm done, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's meet again next time.